Here's a very fast tutorial. I'll replace this video when I can. I just want to make sure you get an idea of how to use the product. So the tea bag is in the boiling water. I boiled water with my kettle and I put the tea bag in a bowl and I covered it with a towel. This can be a warm wet towel or a dry one. And then you stick your head underneath, you put the towel over your head, and you breathe it in and let it open up your pores. And it smells so lovely. You can do that at work, in your office, you know, have a kettle. If you're stressed out, you can just relax and put some aloe vera on your face afterwards or some lovely facial lotion, and you're set.